Teacher, no is in 2 or 3 or 2.3. I can't hear you.
I will write here, okay? Why you asked?
I just asked.
Okay, no is...
Because Donald is study because Donald is study after me, because but she went to pet so fast.
Okay, unit tono is 3. 3.2, I guess, for pet. This is pet. And pre-intermediate, like, because tono doesn't have free talking. We did not, or we don't have free talking with tono. We don't have developing lesson for tono. That's why. Okay, so you have, because you always have free talking, you always have developing lesson, like we're talking about travel. Okay, I did not teach tono about that because tono, uh, Tono's English is not as good as you. So it's hard. Okay, most likely I will ask Tono's mom, to have developing lessons like talking. Okay, I will ask Tono. I already tried developing. I already tried talking. Most likely, right? So that's
Um,
why.
I, uh, I, I think she good at reading.
She is good at reading before. She is not really good at listening. Itono is not good at listening, but as days goes on, as
Uh,
weeks,
I,
she's
I,
good.
I think Donald is not good at speaking.
She's not good at speaking. Okay.
I think she even talk to you when
She talks to.
when you have class with no in my house. I sit next to her and I just listen.
Just like, unlike you, that you keep on talking to me. Okay, you talk a lot. Okay, you talk a lot. Okay, that's why I will ask the mom of Tono that we're going to have free talking. Like we will talk any lesson. We will talk. We're gonna.
Teacher,
Yes.
me is I is in 8.2 pet.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Because although me, if we will not have, like, example, we did not have free talking. We did not talk about. You remember we're talking about travel. We're talking about health. We're listening the video like that. You remember that one? You remember that? Okay.
uh,
Teacher Anne did not do it to Tono. I did not do it to Tono. So that's why I need to encourage that we have to do Tono on like this. Okay. So on things like this, because I can see you are good and Tono, really good. The mom of Tono told me, teacher, Tono is different from me. Okay. As you can see, you always speak up to me, right? Mm.
okay.
Yes, that's good.
Teacher.
Yes, yes.
Me is I is in pre-intermediate
Yeah.
is 3.4
No, no,
or
no.
that is Donald.
That's Tono.
Uh, how about me?
Wait, wait. Ni is... Okay, it and then because we use topic food. We have a lot of, okay. Like you are already 5. 5 up, 5.8 for pre-intermediate. And in developing, you are unit 8 already. Developing.
Can you write in the chat box?
Wait me, ha.
I can see you chat.
Developing. Developing is Cambridge. This is
Huh?
more talking. I get at unit 6. Unit 6, I guess. I forgot me. Unit 6. In developing, you are unit 6. That is the one that you have to listen to the video. Okay? You understand that? You are developing 6, and in pre-intermediate, you are in 5.2. I will encourage to know that we will try the developing. Mm.
That is me.
Yeah, 5.2.
Intermediate is me.
Yeah,
It's mine. Okay.
Okay, let's done. Sorry. So that's why you are different. No's mom told me that teacher, Ni is different from No.
No, mom told with you.
Yeah. Before she told me that
Why? Why are different?
Ni is
Why is
Ni is
different? Why are
different from No because Ni knows more English than No.
Oh, oh,
Yeah, because when we already studied quite long, right?
yeah. About I think 2 years.
2 years already?
I think 2 years or maybe 3.
Yeah. You remember the first time I met you, you will not speak up to teacher, and then you don't,
Speak up.
yeah,
What is
you
speak
don't
up?
speak up, you don't talk.
Ah.
Yeah, you remember? You don't talk a lot, and your grammar is not really good. But look at me now. Okay, thank you that you passed me. I told your dad, by the way, that we will have to do, or you need to have.
And when I study more with you, I very like talkative.
Oh, you're very talkative. I tell your dad about that one. Your dad says, "How are you?" before, and then I told you, "No, sir, Ni is quite talkative. You talk a lot. You share things, right?"
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's why. Have you fun, or do you have fun studying English with teacher? Do you like to study English?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay. You love English, Ni? Like
yeah.
we are already 2 years. I have class. I have I have a student named Andy.
Teacher.
Yes. Mm.
Teacher. When will you come home?
Uh
When will you come home? I don't
Next,
know because
I don't know because she told me that we're going to have the class on Wednesday, Friday. So I asked if no can come like Tuesday, probably we can have class on Wednesday.
no, I think no is told to me. No told to me. She will um
Come home
spend in Huế for 2 days,
2 days
two
only.
days
So
and one night.
tomorrow, no will be here already. I will message.
No, I think today.
Today?
Because
Oh.
because tomorrow's but yesterday morning, Nu told me Nu will drive to Huế at
Uh-huh.
uh at 8 a.m.
Okay. And so today, maybe tonight, no is here.
Uh,
Hmm. Okay, but I will ask No to have class with you. I will tell No that you're having class with me today and even tomorrow, right?
I
Tomorrow
don't
we'll go.
know.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll have class, right,
Because
mommy?
because no because yesterday and today is 2 days.
Okay. So for sure, tomorrow No will be here. I will message No. No, where are you? Are you still in vacation?
Okay, you can ask No.
I will ask No later. Okay. Because supposed to be we will have class today. Because today I have class with Caroline, supposed to be, but then Caroline told me she will going to spend the vacation and we're going to have class on Thursday. Mm. Redundancy, yeah. Talking a lot, talking a lot. You talk a lot, right? You talk a lot.
Yeah.
What did you eat?
Now I just drink
Drink. What did you
my.
drink?
Now it's like milk.
It's not milk. It's yogurt.
No, it's not yogurt.
Macy,
It's the
no, no.
name.
Yakult.
It's the name.
You have Yakult? It's not milk.
Yeah.
Like this. You have like this, me? Look at me. This one.
What? No, not Dutch milk.
You have Dutch milk?
Dutch. No.
Yeah,
It's
it's
in
Yakult.
in Japan.
Yeah, we have like that in Philippines. We call it Yakult. Yakult, right?
Yakult.
Yeah, Yakult. This one, do you have like this in your country?
I don't know.
This one. Look me.
Teacher, I don't like to drink this, but I like to. I prefer Probi.
You don't like to drink that? Okay, Julian doesn't like
Do you know
Yakult too.
Probi?
Huh?
Do you know Probi?
What is that? Let me see.
I will write in the message.
You write in the message in the chat. Surat Indonesia. Yakult. Yeah, I know Yakult. Do you want to make
I
a
think
picture?
it's Probi.
What is that, Proby? It's like a drink?
Uh, you don't know? Like it's like Yakult.
It's like a Yakult, but the name is Proby. Okay? So, but you don't like Yakult at all. Okay, so let us start. Me, please try to answer.
Okay.
Yes, go, go, go. Tomorrow we're gonna have free talking.
Okay.
Okay, oh, very good.
Okay.
Yes, win a camera competition. So the purpose for pet reading me is for you to enhance your reading skills, your comprehension, if you really understand what you are reading. Okay, so that is why a teacher and did not assess you in reading this one. I let you do it by yourself. So I can measure if how good you are to comprehend, how good you are to understand. Here the text is win a camera competition. Tell us in 250 words why photographs are important. Last entry for competitions, Friday, 1st of May. Professional writers are prohibited from entering. Okay, let me see. Oh, the answer is letter B. You have to write an
B.
article explaining that something means to
Why
you.
B?
Okay, you have to write an article explaining what something mean to you. So because you have here, tell us 250 words why photograph are important. So you have to explain or you have to write about photography. Okay, why do you like photography? Why it is important for you? So this is what it means. Okay, this one letter to Peter from Susan. Okay, look at this. Hi Peter, summer camp is great and I really like the wooden cabins that we are staying in. The meals could be a lot better, but at least I will lose weight with all the exercise and not eating much. Oh, love Susan. Okay, that's Susan. Okay, why is Susan writing to Peter? Okay, again, Susan said, it's the summer camp is great and I
I
really
think
like
it's
the
A.
wooden cabin. Okay, to explain she keeps eating so much food. The meals could be a lot better, but at least I will lost my weight with all this exercise and not eating too much. Okay, Susan. Why is Susan writing Peter? To tell him what he can do when he stay at this camp. Explain why she keeps eating so much. Tell him what the camp is like. What do you think is the answer? Remember, summer camp is great and I really like the wooden cabin that we are staying in. The meals could be a lot better, but at least I will lose weight with all the exercise and not eating much. Okay, what is your answer? Your answer
Um,
is, are you sure with your answer?
E. Um, I think it's
Not
B.
eating much.
R. R. Or maybe like um to tell him what he can do when he stays at his camp.
Okay, the answer is to tell him what the summer camp is
A?
like. Actually,
Why A? Why
yeah,
A?
yeah, actually, letter C is correct. Okay, letter A is correct and letter C is correct. The wrong here is letter B. Your answer, letter A, could be correct because you are telling him what he can do when he stays at this camp. Look at this one. The text describe about summer camp. So if you answer C, that's correct. If you answer A, that's also correct. But if you answer B, that's wrong. Okay? Okay, this one. Look and please study. Internet. 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 Oh no.
Wow.
Please read and understand properly.
Okay, teacher.
Oh.
I finished.
Okay, so special offer. Buy 3 CD, you will buy 3 CD, get cheapest 1 free. Okay, it means if you buy 3 CD, you will get cheapest 1 free. Offer available only for the next 5 days. DVD are 50% off just for today. Okay, answer is letter A. You don't pay for 1 CD. If
Why? You don't pay for one
You
CD
don't pay for 1
if you
CD if
buy
you
two
buy 2
others
other
today.
CD.
No.
Okay. So it means you buy 3. If you buy 3, 1 free. Okay. Buy 3, get cheapest 1 free. So you don't pay the 1 CD if you buy 2 others today. Oh, that is what it means. Okay, 4. Please turn off the air conditioner.
I thought number C is scared.
Letter C is
C.
general. Letter C could be correct. Yeah, it's correct me. You will get discount today if you buy any CD. But it is correct. You will get discount, but the specific answer is if you buy 2 CD, 1 is free. Okay? I mean, if you buy 3, the other is 1 is free. So you don't need to pay for the 1. You will pay only 2. Okay? Next, please turn off the air conditions, lights, and all other electrical appliances when you leave the apartment. Also, make sure all doors
In
and
this apartment,
windows
also make
are
sure
shut.
all doors and windows are shut before exiting the building.
Exiting the building. Okay, what does it mean?
It means is we should turn off the air conditioner, lights, and all over electrical appliances when we leave an apartment, and we should um all doors and windows are shut before exiting or before go out from the buildings.
Okay, correct. Okay, letter C. It's letter C. Okay, correct. Okay, next one, 5. Ay, kinukulab yung init ah. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Very hot here, eh?
Yes, in my country it's too hot.
Really? It's very hot here too. Very, very hot.
I'm finished.
Okay, where is your answer? Letter A? Jane.
Yeah,
Jane. Okay, please. Oh, my
no,
phone is
I think letter C maybe.
letter C. Okay. Jane. Phone Jane.
Maybe letter C.
Letter C. Wait me, huh? I will have. Okay. Phone message me. Okay. Phone message from Tim is going cycling tonight and asked whether you would like to go with him. Phone him before 6 p.m. please, mom. Okay, answer is Jane once not available to talk when Tim called to invite her out. Tim wants to meet Jane at 6 p.m. to go cycling. Okay, what
I
is
think
the answer?
C.
Letter C. Oh,
E.
correct. Okay, this one. Oh, you want to try this? Wait, I will charge
No,
my cup.
no,
You
no,
don't
no,
like
no,
to
no.
try this? Huh? You like to try this?
No,
You
it's
try.
so
You
hard.
try. You
It's
try.
so
You try.
hard.
You try.
No,
You can do
it's
it. You
so
try.
hard. It's hard.
It's hard.
Yes, hard.
Okay, so let us
I
skip.
make a lot of mistakes from this teacher.
Okay, this one. Okay, so please try to do this. Wait, me, I will just go to the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
I can live, I can fly. Ano na sige mabibigay? Ha? Ano sige wala na tanaw? Sa may tuyo. Ha? Sa may tuyo is nito? Meto na agenda? Agenda? Okay? Ha?
Teacher,
Hmm.
when you go to the bathroom, I heard you sing.
What did you say? What did you hear?
What the name of you sing?
I sing in the
What the
bathroom?
name?
Oh, you,
Yes.
you hear what I am
I
saying?
heard you sing when you go to the bathroom.
Wow. Oh.
I was heard.
You heard it
I
right.
was hearing.
Oh, yeah, I was hearing. I heard teacher what you sing in the bathroom. Like, I can live, I can fly. Oh, do you know that?
No, I don't know that.
That's my song.
Oh.
And touch the rainbow in the sky. Can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. Can live, I can fly. Touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. Done, ni? Okay. So the food at Freshly. Okay, correct. Oh, how did Jane feel while she was training to the chef? Okay, letter A. Correct, Ni. Very good, Ni. Your answers are correct. Okay, next one. Very good, very good. Very good, Ni.
Hawaan.
Ni? Oh.
Why
The internet is not good. The internet me is quite not good today.